Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So if you notice in the MEP BOQ, you can see one of the very important thing is sundries. So under this sundry, there's some work included. So each and every MEP system, we can say the firefighting, fire alarm, HVAC, CCTV, all the mechanical works and all the electrical work, all MEP systems must be include this sundries work. So in this session we are going to discuss what is sundries and how it will be impact in the costing for the BOQ. So the most of the MEP quantity surveyors they don't know why they put the sundries in the BOQ. So actually the sundries, the detailed definition is available in the Principle of Measurement International. So we know very well this book it's helped to us to identify the measurement rules for the civil and MEP work. And also the MEP works starting from the section Q. So under the section Q you can see the section Q, it's the mechanical engineering work. So if you are going the below of the section Q, you can see the sundries, but they mention in the Q 8.1 the sundry shall be measured in accordance with the clause number P2. Okay, so we have to see the P2, what is the mention in that sundry something. And also you can see the electrical engineering installation also they mention like this. So if you go the below in the section, the R9 R9.1, the sundry shall be measured in accordance with the clause number P2. So we have to check the P2 what they say it's something. So if you are going to the section number P, so the section number P is it's the conveying system. You can see here the section number P is conveying system, but they mention in the under the P2 there is a sundries. Actually the sundries is a very small and supplementary work. It is must necessary to proper installation and operation and completion for each and every MEP system. And also the sundries work you can see in the BOQ they put the lump sum price because it's a very small work, so we cannot put each and every work separately, so you have to remember these things also. Alright, so let's move to the POMI here. You can see here the sundries is an item shall be given for each of the following. Okay, right, for example just imagine you are working for some HVAC related some works. So the all the supports which shall include fixing anchors, insulation block and also the anti-vibration devices, same like this, these are the items items are the sundry works. So it is also one of the smallest work, but it should be include the HVAC system to proper completion of this work. So that's why we have to consider these sundries. The second one is the identification. Shall be include the plates, disc, labels and chart and the color coding. We know very well the most of the MEP item we should be put the plate names, labels, chart, color coding for to identify the MEP components and equipment. So these are the another sundries work. And also the third one is the testing and commission. So it's also one of the very important the final work to ensure the proper operation for this each and every MEP system. So the fourth one is the tools and spares, so which shall includes loose keys and consumable stores. So actually once we completed just assume we are the MEP subcontractors, so we have completed some of the MEP works, then we have to properly hand over the tools and spares for the client. So the fourth point says like this. And also fifth one is the documentation which shall includes drawing, operation, instruction and maintenance manual. We know very well it is the very important part of the each and every MEP work. Proper as-built drawing and also the operating instruction and also maintenance manual. Once the MEP subcontractor complete their scope of work in the project, then they should be hand over to the client. After the handover, the client operation team must be operate the MEP system. So that's why they should know the proper maintenance manual and operation instructions. So that's why we have to keep these things. Alright, so the MEP subcontractor must be remember always in the BOQ once they completed the MEP main scope of work, then these are the sundries work. He should be include their price for the BOQ because we have to hand over these all things and also we have to complete this small sundries work for each and every MEP item. So that's why we have to consider a particular amount of sundry works in each and every MEP item.